So in this video we are going to make a new application which will help us to click the images. So it is a simple UI I make for that. Uh, I have already explained the code in my previous OpenCV video that how to click images. So I'm going to make a UI for that with the help of Flask application. So for that we have to first import our Flask. From Flask import Flask. Then we have to import render underscore template. Then we need import cv2. First we have to define our app name, Flask name. After that we have to make a root for that. Now we have to define our home page. For the home page we have to simple return our index.html. After clicking on the submit button we have to directly click our images. So for that we have to write a function. So we have to first change our root. So for that, suppose I'm writing over click, and our method should be post. So after that we have to define a function. Suppose I'm giving a click. So here I'm taking a variable number of pics, that how many numbers I want. So for that we have to write our request dot form. We have to take our number and our input have a name class of pics. Simple, we have to write over pics. After that we have to run our video. For that we have to use our cv2.video capture, and it is a similar code I am writing in already explained in my previous video. So it will return our two things, retination and our frame. So now we have to read our video. After that, if our ret equal to true, so I want my all images in my one folder. So for that we have to import our OS. If our folder is not available with the name of images, then we should make it os.makedirs with the name of images. Now after that we have to write our number of images. So for that we have to write a for loop. Now we have to start from 0 our number of pics. Then we have to cv2.imwrite. We have to click our images. Simple. Inside a folder of images. If you don't know about this code, then please go and see my previous video on how to click images and record videos from Python. So it is a similar code that I have already explained over there. The extension should be .jpej, and our format will be I and our frame. We have to pass our frame. Now for closing our window we have to say for if cv2.wait key, if it is 1 and 1 is nothing but our escape button, so it should break the loop. After that we have to simple release our video, and we have to destroy our window. For that we have to write destroy all windows After that, we have to return our HTML page. So after that, finally we have to run our. Suppose I want a 1 second of break to write my images. So I can show you that how it works. Import time. So before writing an image, we have to wait for 1 second. So for that, we are writing 1 second. Now let's run this. Now as we can see, our server is working. So if I open my directory, now here images folder will be create. If I click on, okay, I want 13 images. So we have to import our request also. Convert into our integers. So let's reload this. Suppose I want 13 images. So my camera is open. Now as you can see, images folder is created. Inside this, it is taking my images. So it will take total 13 images. So I will provide this code in my description. Thank you so much. Bye.